Kinong ilam ka Kongres khat sautrek rumpang arjar fly kilawan ban mudui rengkat jingtho hakmat Chief Electoral Officer CEO ke Jela Meghalaya ubak Frederick Roy Karkongor pyrshah Kong Phidalia Toi Chairperson ke Meghalaya State Women's Commission namar ke jingleit senran jongka yu kyrtong ke NPP na jawai ubak wailat miki shela hak ni thap kerteng jong ban khoni ke election kinong ilam ka Kongres kila dawa badiban slot ye ke jingishim bentau ubak wailat miki hak election bat kenno bak Kong Phidalia kala pedengkam baklai ke bor bat ke office jongka hadin kat tu kan ni ka office CEO kala pha jingtho ban pan chubab na Kong Phidalia halo kini jing kenno Asian menta election jongka khamtam ni kai phot khubor ke bla sapriang hak khiniat sngi ki bladam
ni wan chene ban ujor namanta I chairperson jongka Women's Commission by don banta hak jing file nomination jong iwe candidate jongka party NPP West Giant Hills iba wailat miki shilla ni wan ujor kata ke hamne
ke ithai ka nakaliam CEO
baki day ban weng no yaka post naka post jong chairperson but ayu like for him to be disqualified.
We want the candidate to be disqualified as well as the Women Commission to be removed because she has violated the Model Code of Conduct and she has also violated the People's Representation Act. So it is, we have come, our senior MP, Mr.
It is a clear violation of our election rule and election procedure. So it is not only the chairperson, the candidate is also more responsible for that. So our demand, our submission is disqualify the candidate as well as take disciplinary action against the concerned chairperson. That is our demand.
Yes. Kini ki members yung ka INC iwan mentan naka national level manwan ikundo halor alai di kipang kawai kadai ka complaint hapa Jainti Hills, West Jainti Hills ki ujor ba I don't know members of Women's Commission snok tilang bat ka baru official candidate jongka West Jainti Hills district te ki ujor haka but on the basis ba since it part of the Women's Commission te imday ba in yadon tilang kin bat kanika long ba in penpau ba yadon tilang bat unu official candidate te ngala interest ya to ka complaint jungki siya additional CEO belong in charge of the Model Code of Conduct but ilanon dekat ni mane but naliang jong in sa pan ka kaipot ka report no DC West Jainti Hills halor kani ka complaint te marial yok da ka kaipot in sa long in say take further steps on this after we get the report from the DC of West Jainti Hills.
What kind of penalty try ban violate kini kinong ki officials ng sarkar?
Katung in happen as per the RP Act, as per the RP rules. The kabanungkong ya te kadon kam gar quick report but try show cause notices to kinang ya that in because kung judge case i mukadon ka process bang ihap yoru ya ka long ya ka jubab na kini ki bagi complain against tingin habyo ya report jung DC jung DEO District Election Officer jo por ru ya habyo ya ka jing pyrshah na liang jung iro ya te basha complain te kita kini ki procedure bang follow mata te halor kita ki procedure ke bangin la pendap ki procedure tingin sa in sepet tingin se bishar bania kar rules ke so election commission berkhat kini ya bihat kar rules kamde ke bangin la mende shimet ma karegi yahan biar ke proses yahan biar ke procedure.
The rampant corruption in Meghalaya has choked the development process in the state. Is this the Meghalaya we dreamt of? It's time to speak up about the issues that are hampering Meghalaya's development. Share your suggestions with Modi ji and become a part of Meghalaya's developmental journey. Give a missed call at 8360006060. Together, this 27th February, let's empower Meghalaya.
Congress commitment to Meghalaya. Power cut free Meghalaya. Congress is committed to providing 24/7 uninterrupted electricity to every home and industry in Meghalaya.
But commitments na kaseng Congress na kabinta ka 5 star